Hello, I'm back to show you projects I made from the Oh Happy Day collection from Echo Park. I filmed the papers that came in this kit, but I don't know what happened to the footage, and this is all I have of it now. Here's the 6x6 paper pad, and I'm using it in another kit, so you can kind of get a idea of what the paper look like. It's called the Oh Happy Day Spring from Cartabella. Okay, and here's what I made. I made a portfolio lap book. I just enjoy making these. They're so much fun. They're easy to make. There's the front cover, the back cover. I kept pretty plain. It's usually my custom. You open it up. There's pockets to the side. I used a sticker from another collection, and the trim is from my stash. The plant Kindness Gather Love is from the paper collection. It's a cut apart. Open it up. In the pockets, you could fit a 5x7. Pictures could be tucked here. Pictures could be tucked, not tucked, but placed on the front cover and inside. I didn't cover this with pattern paper, this flap, because I was running low, and I just wanted to keep it plain. I don't know. I just wanted to keep the middle plain. Now this side probably isn't a 5x7, maybe a 4x6 or 3x5 could be placed in this section. And that's pretty much it for my lap book. They are so fun to make and so easy to make that I may do a tutorial and attach it on. And if I don't, like I said, I'll put it on at the end. And I have another project that I made with this paper pad because it was so fun. Oh, one thing I did like about this paper, I made my lap book with 65 pound cardstock, and because the paper is so thick, this is really good paper. I didn't have a problem with it because I was trying to look for my 100 pound cardstock, but this is just fine because some people make their lap books out of folders, you know, or a heavier material so it could hold up to the weight of the cardstock and your pictures. This held up fine because of the cardstock, the paper, the pattern paper is really good quality. So I had a really fun time making it, and I'm gonna stop rambling on, and I will say thank you very much for stopping by, and look for the next project that I made from this paper line in the next video, and I will talk to you shortly. Bye.